Okay, can you explain the difference between warehousing inventory and client inventory?
Yeah, so warehouse inventory is simply the inventory that exists in the warehouse that is doing your fulfillment.
Sorry, let me ask that again.
You're good.
Okay. Scarborough offers inventory management. Can you explain the differences between what we see in warehousing inventory versus what a client might see in their own client inventory management systems?
Yeah, so Scarborough's warehouse inventory is inventory where Scarborough manages the products directly for the client. So Scarborough does everything in warehouse inventory, from setup of the materials in the material master in a specific part number with a specific description, and has a warehouse management system that records and tracks the inventory levels based on stocking levels, outbound order sales, receipts, cycle counts, all of those kind of things, and does a real-time rolling inventory of the goods available for sale in our warehouse at any given point in time. So that includes goods that are available for sale, goods that are on quality hold, goods that have been returned and potentially are waiting inspection, or have been inspected and are waiting repackaging, and all of those different kind of things. So that kind of lends itself almost to being an extension of PO management for your client. The client inventory would include, the potential of that inventory in that warehouse, but also inventory in their various different distributor and retail channels as well. So your client inventory may be more, maybe less, maybe all of these different kinds of things. But for the sake of a good 3PL, your 3PL warehouse inventory management should be something that the client has the ability to see the inventory in real time at any given time throughout the course of the day, week, month, year, all of those different kind of things, and has the potential to be able to put inventory on hold, or put inventory on quality hold based on revisions or issues that they might have and see in real time.